Hi everyone, today we'll discuss United Nations Convention of Cybercrime. This becomes the world's first global framework against cybercrime. This convention is moving towards becoming legally binding. For till now, it is 72 out of 193 countries of United Nations which have signed this treaty. So this had been open for signature in Vietnam from October 2025. After 40 countries ratifying this, it would take 90 days for this convention to come into force. This convention has been developed by United Nations Office of Drugs and Crimes. There are 3 legal measures which have been provided which are important. The first one is cross-border sharing of the electronic evidence in transnational crimes like money laundering, sexual exploitation, and many more. Now, the second one is the capacity building and technical assistance for developing countries. And the third one is the human rights protection. Now, this implementation would be done in the same lines like the Conference of Parties, which is there for climate change, desertification and others. The same way it would be having Conference of Parties against the cybercrime. Next, the UNODC would act as the secretariat. As of October 2025, India did not sign this convention but actively participated in drafting this convention. India also declined Budapest Convention of Cybercrime because it is expecting a bigger role and active participation and significance to be given to India. National Crime Record Bureau says that cybercrime in India has rose by 31% in 2023. Karnataka registers the highest number of cases. Do let me know in the comment section which country faces the highest cyber crimes. Thank you.